Hi guys, it's Anna and welcome back to my channel. Now today's recipe is a decadent chocolate treat, perfect to soothe those sweet tooth cravings. It's a brownie lava mug cake. First, to make our egg, we're going to add some flax meal into a bowl with some water and give it a good mix until well combined. Next, into a bowl, we're going to add the dry ingredients. And give them a good mix to combine. Then to that, we're going to add in the wet ingredients. Give them a good mix until about half combined. Then to that, we're going to add in the flax egg, giving it one final mix to combine. Pour the mixture into the mug. Then into the center, I'm going to add in some of this Vigo spread, but feel free to use any Nutella substitute that you have. Then we're going to pop that into the microwave for 30 seconds. If the top and the edges still don't look set, pop it in for another 15. Top it off with some cacao nibs. Let it sit for a further 2 to 3 minutes before tucking in. As you can see, the consistency is nice and dense and spongy, just like a brownie. Yum! It's chocolatey, it's gooey, it's absolutely delicious. So I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel, making sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, I always appreciate it, and I'll see you next week. Bye bye!